Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to be showing you our hotel that we got in Gyeongju. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So when you come in, it's actually carpeted. We found these slippers though, so you actually have to take your shoes off here before you go in. On the right is a mirror, of course. And then the left, we just have some storage. There's a safe. There's always a safe. Some places for storage. Oh. Well, no. Okay. More storage. We didn't bring that much stuff because we're only staying for 2 nights and 3 days. Oh yeah, the slippers were in here, and then there's a couple of robes. Yeah. Come over here, there's this like coffee machine, which I'm super stoked about. Yeah, some complimentary stuff here. And then just a little seating area. We have our bags and stuff, telephone, TV. And then you turn over here. That wasn't set up. This just comes as it is. There's no bed. It's traditional style. So all the mattresses and stuff, or all the blankets, were actually in the storage. And my husband just set it up for us. So yeah, it just came with nothing in here. That goes to the washroom. He's in there right now. I will show you in a bit. I haven't checked outside yet though. Wow. 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 Oh my god. Can you see though? Oh my god. Over there. Oh, I guess there's a golf course? Interesting. What is that giant ball over there? Wow though. Wow. This looks like the descending lifeline. Yep. There it is. You never know, just in case you need to jump out. I think this is probably a fridge. Oh, there is a fridge. Oh, let's see what they got for us. Just water. Okay. Even the table is Korean style, traditional style. You just sit on the floor, cross-legged, and you just sit. Just sit on the floor, cross-legged like this. What's this? I guess there's some stuff you could order. Figured out how to open the blinds, and we came over here, and look, there's a hot air balloon. So on the right here, after the door, is the washroom. Slide her open. Whoa. This is the sink area. Big mirror. Hello. And then this deep tub, I'm excited to maybe use it, I'm not too sure. And the shower area, open concept, okay. And then separate toilet area. And then another mirror to like get ready or whatever. I'm gonna be using this. And yeah, so this is where we're staying, the Suites Hotel. They just have some decoration. What's this? Ah, duh. And then they have some things you can use here. Shampoo and conditioner, body wash, body lotion. Amazing. Oh, a comb. Okay. So yeah, that was the tour of this hotel. It's pretty cool. It's very traditional, how you have to sleep on the floor and everything. But I'm used to it because I used to do that because I used to live in Suwon, which is like southern Seoul, if you know Suwon. Yes. And yeah, oh, there's actually, those are all the towels and stuff are. Yes, if you want to watch my videos of Gyeongju and what I get up to, then you can hit them there, I think. I'll link that here, and I will also link like other places in Seoul that I have stayed if you want to check out what other like Airbnb or like houses and hotels or whatever. Yeah, you can check that out. Why am I doing this with the toilet right there? I don't know. Thank you for watching this video. I'm echoing. See you in the next one. Bye.